Activate power saving plan. Perhaps there is a better way. I've got a new friend in the house. Get the most out of your power, while you focus on what matters. Don't worry about the blackout. Everything you need on one screen.
Hi, Dad. That's amazing.